Costume na po, inspired po sa tambay budol sa Crocodile Bar. Kaya po medyo, po puro may mga taga. Sabay po mga pera. Ayun.
Crocodile tambay sa Crocodile Farm inspired ang kanyang costume, okay? It seems like you're ready. Can I take your question? Buena mano. If you were to make a tagline for Puerto Princesa based on your experience here, what would it be and why? Kung gagawa ka ng tagline based on your experience about Puerto Princesa, ano yung tagline na yun at bakit?
Naisip kong tagline is, naisip kong tagline is, come back here because it's more fun. Because... Kasi based on sa experience namin, ang sarap pa balik-balikan yung mga yutaan namin, tapos bawat destination kasi sobrang ganda yung sobrang sarap.
Thank you so much!
Masaya naman.
Para hindi totoo masaya, yung totoo.
Actually, I'm happy po since na-choose ako ng aking mga kaibigan.
Okay, so saan naman inspired yung costume mo?
So, my costume po is inspired po dun sa Underground River, which is yung mga paligid. Since dun po kami yung pinaka-much nag-enjoy throughout the tour po.
Pero hindi ka naman nagawin ng paligid galing Underground River na to.
Hindi naman, binilang ko lang.
Okay, ready ka na sa question mo?
Sure.
Okay, candidate number 2, here is your question. What do you think is Puerto Princesa best known for?
I think since Puerto Princesa is best known for their hospitality, since throughout the tour po namin, we feel that all the locals and tour guides po namin that are very they're very accommodating to us throughout the tour. Like, they never feel na left out kami, and then they're always like, kinakausap kami like kung ano yung mga history ng throughout yung mga attractions and activities and ano yung best na pwede pa namin puntahan in the future po.
Thank you so much, Dagmar. Here is your question. How do you think we can help keep Palawan clean and beautiful?
To help clean Palawan and beautiful, first po is let's make all people educated and about the sustainability ng Palawan. Siyempre, na bibigay ito ng natural wonders in the whole world. Kailangan mas unahin muna yung local community na bigyan ng education kung paano ipagtapon ng basura, cleanliness, and to promote the tourism here in Palawan kasi napakaganda po talaga.
Thank you so much. Hello, candidate number 4.
Hello po.
You're very sweet, ano? Kamusta ka?
Okay lang po, masaya.
Saan mo kami kung saan inspired ang
Sorry
costume?
lang pagod ang masaya. Bakit eh? Okay na ako.
Maybe inspired siya not sa Puerto Princesa but in the oldest church in Palawan, which is in Puyo, Palawan. Okay, nice costume. Now let's have your question. Isa lang ha? Your question is, how can you help promote Puerto Princesa's tourism?
Oh. Yes, we can help promote Palawan through social media. Kasi lahat naman tayo dito gumagamit ng any social media platform. So, yun yung pwede natin gamitin para mas makilala ang Palawan at kung gaano kaganda ang Palawan. Yun lang.
Thank you so much. Hello, candidate number 5. I see marami kang supporters. Baka pwede mo silang pasalamatan.
What's up, you guys?
Okay,
I want to thank my friends for making me.
Okay, let's take your question. Okay, here is your question. Since nakagaling lang ng underground river, what do you think makes underground river famous?
I believe that underground river is very famous nowadays because of its that actually sells. The things that are there are magic. It is magical because that's why it is actually part of the seven wonders of nature because it is magical. Why is it magical? Because we can never see that in other country. It is special, just as Filipinos. That's why I'm thankful that we get to visit the attraction itself. Thank you.
Hi guys.
Mahina ka lang man, napigilan ka lang. Okay, so I guess silence is the answer for that. Now let's pick your question. Your question is, as a tourism student, what role does tourism play in our economy?
One more please.
Once again, what role does tourism play in our economy?
For role of this tourism in our economy is the ano ba? Of course, for this our economy, of course this Palawan, our for parang matulungan yung tourism sa ating companies, siyempre to like more gain na managing smart as flight attendant or more as yes tourism. So
Out of all the destinations that you've been here in Puerto Princesa, if you were to recommend one tourist spot to your kababayans, where would it be and why?
I would recommend the underground river, of course, because it's very, I would say it's unique because it's all natural, walang man-made doon, and sobrang ganda nung place mismo. Tapos parang it's a new experience talaga for everyone. So, ayun lang. I know everyone would enjoy experiencing the underground river. So,
Thank you so much. I'm very great. Ako ba ang mag-lead ng question? Baliktad, nagkamalila. Parang ang tagal mo na tapos ang pick-up line mo. Gusto namin marinig isang beses pa yung buo. Don't mind. Isa pa please. Yung buo, yung walang tawa, yung kompleto. Para marinig namin ang buo yung pick-up line mo.
Naniniwala ako sa kasabihan na ang kagandahan ay hindi nakikita sa panlabas na kaanyuan, kundi saan? Sa inyong harapan!
Parang ayaw mo maniwala sa pick-up line mo. Parang, okay, di ka ba naniniwala maganda ka? You're pretty.
Yeah, I'm cherry blossom. I can bloom.
Okay, seems like you're very... Your question is... Are you ready?
Yeah.
What is one thing you've learned after visiting here in Puerto Princesa?
Thank you for your wonderful question. First of all, I would like to ask my friends if you want pizza. You want pizza? Me too. Stay quiet. So, ayun, one thing I've learned nung na-visit ko yung Palawan is that sobrang ganda ng creation ni Lauren. Kasi why are you laughing? Kasi it's unbelievable, right? Yung place na na-visit natin, all the islands, all the natural attraction na meron ang Palawan, ang Pilipinas. It's so very beautiful, and one thing that I've learned is we always appreciate everything, even our nature. Because yeah, one thing that I've learned is to appreciate everything. Kasi as a human being, it's very natural to appreciate everything that we have here on earth. That's all. Thank you.
Number 3.
Hi.
Good evening. How are you?
I don't feel any pressure right now.
Talagang pang national contest na katabi mo ha. Saan inspired ang iyong costume?
My costume is actually inspired by Palawan. I'll just give you our key 2 words that we have in mind: abundant and vibrant. Vibrant when it comes to nature. As you can see, it's yung color nito sobrang vibrant, and of course, abundant yung Palawan sa as its people, sa nature. And as you can see in my costume, it's abundant in patterns and structures.
Pero hindi pa yung question. Hindi pa. Bulunod yung pa ng question. Nice keywords. Nice basis for your question, by the way. Now, let's pick your question. Your question is, how would you convince people from your place to visit Puerto Princesa City?
I would convince people by using me as a student leader. And not just as a student leader, but also a content creator. I personally would champion initiatives to promote the tourism industry, especially when it comes to nature, to preserving and conserving our natural wonders. So in that way, I would use my voice, my platforms in social media, my voice as a student leader, to also encourage people, to encourage my co-students, my audiences, to visit Palawan, because it's just so immaculate, it's so magical. As reference to one of my friends' answer, Palawan is magical.
Thank you so much. Question. What do you think makes Underground River unique?
Ano po? Underground. Unique po yung underground river. Kasi po, madami pong structures there, like rock formation na nagiging, hindi po siya like natural po siya ng lamig. With like limestone, like the water there. Yun lang po. Okay na po ito.
Thank you so much. I think she's... Okay, ready ka na sa question mo? Okay, can I take your question? Okay, so pauwi na kayo, right? This is your last night here in Puerto Princesa. What food or souvenirs would you take home to your friends and family?
Actually, I would say not as souvenir material things. I would say my memories, experience, and of course, given that it's my first time here in Palawan, it gives me so much enjoyment. It's so mesmerizing. As they said earlier, as a reference, of course, Palawan is magical. It is so immaculate. And of course, I would share to my family, and I hope someday I could bring my family here so we could all experience what I experienced. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much. How are you doing? That's very nice. Are you ready for the question mo? Kindly take your question, please. Pag nanalo ka ng prize, anong gagawin mo sa prize money? Anong gagawin mo sa prize money pag nanalo ka?
Siyempre po dahil nanalo ka and sobrang supportive ng mga kasama.
Okay, so let's hope and pray na she win tonight's competition. Now here is your question. What do you think is the importance of underground river?
Thank you for the wonderful question. The importance of the underground river is yung natural structures niya, because as a reference din po sa sinabi ng aking co-candidate that no man-made po is gawa doon sa underground river, and ang importance po nun is to help the also the nature and yung mga species na nakatira sa loob, and pag napanatili natin yun, and maaari natin mas hindi mawala yung natural na ganda ng underground river. Thank you.